Okay guys, I use the same strategy which I've been using all this while to analyze this particular asset, and of course I gave out a trading signal or some trading signals on this particular asset yesterday, and here is the trading result. First of all, let me say congratulations to those of you that are within the Telegram channel because I gave out a detailed signal about this particular asset and we were able to make something meaningful from there. So in this video, I will be sharing with you how we came about the signals and how you too can also do the same from your end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay? So if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Okay? You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. Like I have said, okay, for a while I've been discussing about how you can learn the trend trading strategy and use it to improve your trading activities so that you can make more profit from your trading activities. Okay, so trend trading strategy has actually been one of the easiest way of trading any of the assets. First of all, I decided to be trading on 15-minute time frame because it's not on the I mean it is not the lowest time frame, and at the same time it is not the highest time frame, so it's more like in the middle. And of course it also gave me the opportunity to analyze the market better and also trade for a very long time. Okay, and of course guys, because it is a trend trading strategy, it makes it very easy for me to go with. Okay, and of course all I just need to do is just to know to identify the trend and also to know if it is coming from the resistance zone or the support region. If you should notice, this actually, the market actually came to the support region around this point, okay? And of course, this point happened to be the support region. So there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout below this support region, or there is a change in the trend, okay? A change in the trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. If you should notice, it played around there for a while because it's trying to break out below the support region, but it was unable to break out from there. So right from there, it switched from this red color, which happened to be a signal for a downtrend, into a yellow color, which happened to be a signal for an uptrend. Okay, so immediately that happened, it also gave me buy signal, which happened to be the blue color, the blue arrow color, arrow, which happened to be the blue arrow. And of course, right from there, it shows that I can start buying. Okay, so this actually bought from this particular support region till it got to this particular spot. Of course, there are pullbacks in between. Each time I get the pullbacks, it's only an opportunity for me to re-enter or place more order in order for me to earn more. Okay, so when this got to the resistance zone, there are two things that can happen from there too. Okay, it is either there is a breakout above the resistance zone or a change in direction of the trend. But in this situation, it didn't break out. So this is what led to the signal that we took yesterday. We actually trade spikes yesterday, and of course, it gave us a lot of profits even on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so it gave us some signals, a downtrend signal. You can see the red color and also the red arrows. Okay, so this gave us an opportunity for us to enter. For those that are having this indicator, it will be very easy for you guys to analyze, and I'm very sure you guys should have come in somewhere here, okay, to place your trade. Okay, because that is around there. I came in around here, but when I realized how the trend is actually going, okay, so I decided to give a signal starting from here within the Telegram platform. Okay, and this actually gave us a lot of profit. TP1 was achieved, TP2 was achieved, TP3 also achieved. So all the TPs were achieved, and that's so amazing. So that makes it very easy for us to make some good profit right from there. Okay, so that is the benefit of you having the trading tools. You get to get into the market on time. You will be able to analyze the charts easily using all these methods, the same methods which I've been using. We can easily distinguish between each of these trend. Okay, so we can say when the market is on uptrend because it will be showing yellow color like this, and we can say when it is on downtrend because it will be showing you red color like this. And of course, when it is on uptrend, we only follow the blue arrows. And when it is on downtrend, we only follow the red arrows. Okay, so that is how easy it is. And above all, always make sure you use a proper risk management system. Okay, so this is very, very important. Just like you guys have seen it within the Telegram channel, you would notice that each time I give out a signal, I always out my stop loss for you guys so that you guys can be well guided. You can protect your capital even while you are trying to make more profits. Okay, so this is very, very important because you don't have the full control of the market. Anything can happen within the market. However, a good analysis will most likely give you a profitable end at the end of the day. Okay, so that is what we achieved yesterday. So once again, congratulations to you guys. And right now, you guys have seen how I've been able to come up with the signals. Okay, so you too can do that on your own, most especially if you have a very good trading tools like this that can help you to analyze better. If you don't have this particular trading tool and you don't have any other trading tool that can help you to achieve this, then you can easily get this. All you just need to do is just to reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel for more profitable trades like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.